Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the 71 Mustang Funny Car, and I never understand why it's called a funny car. If you know, please explain it to me, let me know. But yeah, so it's a re-release casting by Hotwheels. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Mustang Funny Car out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this crazy red paint job, and it looks a little bit weird because it doesn't have any headlamps. The engine sits all the way there. Exhaust are coming from the side, but when you flip it, you know why. So it's basically a shell of Mustang, or it looks like a Mustang, but underneath it's a completely different dragster kind of car. It's custom made and all that. It just looks like a Mustang from the outside. That's why you've got the exhaust coming on the side. It's a big engine, and the engine shows you through a wind cutout in the windshield. It says 427, so I'm assuming that's the size of the engine, the cubic inches. It says number 71 on the top because it's a 71 Mustang. And if you look in the back again, it looks like there's the place to put your fuel in. So there are some cool details in this car. In the side it says something funny, Goodyear, and other sponsors. In the back it says Ford. Rear is where it looks most like a Ford Mustang with those triple tail lamp, big spoiler. Front it just looks plain, there's nothing. Interior, I see like a single seat in there, a big single seat kind of setup. The engine looks like a big V8 too. So if you look from the side, you can see like it's a big V8. Well, that's all I can figure out from outside. Wheels, we have seen on so many different old Hot Wheels, even on some of the newer release with like older casting. And if you look at the bottom, it says Hot Wheels 2012, 2018. So it was released multiple times. I'm not an expert on these cars, but I think it looks alright. It's something different, and it doesn't have like a lot of details, but looks good. So if you like cars like this, you might want to get this. If you like Mustang, you might want to get this. But even if you miss on this one, it won't be a big deal. Well, that's what I think. You may agree or disagree. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.